Good evening, everybody. Sore as hell from yesterday, but I'm back out here today. Got to put it back in. Get that workout going. Mr. Walk Life in the building. Yeah, this is a hot 10-minute one. I mean, super hot out here. It's another 90 degree. Yeah, you see it right there. It's another 90 degree burner. It's a hot belly burner out here. No extra exercises today though. Just a straight walk. You know, that's how we gonna do it. Got a comment the other day. Some guy said, I'm back doing my walking, Mr. Walk Life. And I like that, man. My channel's still small right now, so it's still young. I can reply to all the comments. Might not be that way one day, but for right now, I can reply back to all the comments, and I love it. Love that, man. You know, y'all give me that inspiration. Y'all my day one riders. You know, I ain't gonna never forget that. I'ma always keep in touch with y'all, even when I blow up, cause I ain't stopping. Yeah, if I move the camera around a lot, cause I know it's super hot out here, super sunny, can't get a clear picture. But as you can see, I'm out here today. I'm gonna do some neck exercises though. Gotta get them in. You know, are y'all ready? Everybody with me? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I always remember to get that neck. You know what I'm saying? Stretch that neck all the way out. You know, looking good from when I first started. Doing good, looking good. There we go. Hey, brown eyes. Wow. Here we go. Yeah, we on the move now. I done start walking, picking up the pace. Y'all gonna have to catch up with me. But it's all right, y'all can do that. Take your time, walk at your pace. I hope y'all know y'all gonna be on the Mr. Walk Life video in front of me. Well, let me go.
Mr. Walk Life.
Yeah, Mr. Walk Life. I ain't gonna put you on now. I don't want you.
Mr. Walk Life.
Y'all wanna be on there?
Facebook?
Yeah.
No, don't put me on Facebook. I watch
It's too late, it's too late.
you. You trying to get me. No,
Y'all, look, talk to me.
No.
Talk to me. All right, pretty ladies.
Okay, thank you.
All right, y'all go to my. Oh, y'all go to my Walk Life channel now.
Walk Life?
Yeah. Like and subscribe, it's free.
We found you on Facebook.
Mr. Walk Life.
Don't be putting me on the camera now.
I ain't gonna put you on. I respect y'all. I got y'all one time now. Don't get mad at me. It's so sunny out here.
We both got boyfriends.
Well, I got a girlfriend. Yeah. Yeah, I got some.
They pay.
Yeah, they get paid. They running it. Hey, y'all.
Mr. Walk Life.
You got me on there?
Hold on,
Let me see.
What's that your name on there?
Yeah, it's a little dog will pop up.
A little dog?
Yeah, a little doggy will pop up on there.
I'm looking for you.
Yeah, I see. Hey, y'all had to hold up. Let me see. Try it again, Mr. Walk Life. Yeah, punch it in one more time.
We'll put Mr. Walk.
Yeah, Mr. Walk Life.
Hold on, wait.
Put the big boy Mr. Walk Life on there.
Where you at?
No, you ain't put Mr. Walk Life. You gotta separate the Mr.
Oh, I got two? I didn't know I had
Yeah, hold on.
I did, but you went nowhere. No, wait, that ain't
Nah. You on not Facebook, you gotta be on YouTube.
Oh, it's on YouTube?
Yeah, you gotta go to YouTube, baby.
Together.
Yeah, don't get me in trouble.
Here,
I'm
Mr.
YouTube.
I'm wig.
Oh,
you know you
slick
on
on
Facebook.
there. You slick on there. I'm on Facebook too now, but
There you go.
I got you. I can, cause I love your expression. I love that. Yeah, and y'all gonna be on my video.
Hey, he out there for real.
Did you put my subscribe? I need you. Subscribe for me. I need you. Yeah. I'm the real deal, baby.
He for real.
Yeah.
He for real.
There you go.
Look, he on there for real.
Told you. Got plenty on. Y'all see a little celebrity in the mix.
There you go.
All right. You subscribe to me? Let me see. Let me see.
Here, look, I don't subscribe. Look, I don't subscribe to you.
Hey. All right. Y'all ain't hearing this hot sunny. Just, boy, look. It's on. What's your name?
Let me know if you're looking for an auntie.
Auntie? Okay, I will.
I got a couple aunties for you.
Oh, shit. I like that in.
That's the walk line trying to get his views in.
Yeah, well, y'all know where to find me at now.
For sure. We need somebody
Okay. Yeah, we riding. Yeah. Here we go. We back on our mission. Yeah. Yeah. That's for the inside walks. Every time I come out here, man, the girls be walking. Shit, I like that in them, man. The girls come out here and walk. It's 90 degrees. They got 2 girls out here walking. I'm like, man, that's good motivation. You know what I'm saying? And gave me good encouragement to keep it moving. You know what I'm saying? And I'm going to do just that. Keep it moving. Yeah. Yeah, like I said, I had got that comment the other day. And them comments mean a lot to me, man. One day I might get too big and can't comment back to everybody. So I just want y'all to know, like, it's, when you lose something special, man, it hurt. So the day I won't be able to comment to everybody, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to feel that, man. I'll probably be doing better and everything, but, you know, like I say, when it's something you feel like it's important and somebody special, man, when you lose somebody special, it hurt. So to not be able to comment back to all the people that started with me from day one, I gotta try to find a way to make sure I keep in touch with my day one riders. You know what I'm saying? Don't worry about that. I'm gonna keep in touch with y'all. If I get too big, just know everybody else that I got much love and I appreciate all your support. And hopefully y'all can walk with me in or outdoors. You know what I'm saying? If you get to feeling good and you watching one of my videos and go outside and walk, that's what it's meant for. My main objective is to get you in shape. So get out and walk. Do what you gotta do. You know, take your time. Like I say, when you see me 3-4 months from now jumping all around, just remember to go back to my beginning videos when I was a busted Mac. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, if y'all see me out here on a hot 90-degree sunny day and I just worked out yesterday, heavy and hard, push-ups, everything, you know? So that was my last 20-minute video I did. So just so y'all know, that was just yesterday. Really hard. Yeah. Natty Love in the building. Yeah, I'm out here. I just want to say thanks for everybody that ride with me. And hope I make your day, give you encouragement. You know what I'm saying? Step out and get yourself together. Y'all want to be top notch? You got to put that work in, man. Y'all know what it is. Guys and girls. Can't take no days off and think you can't go back and have to make them up, because you do. You know? I got a good 10, 15 more good walks in me before I lose another 20 pounds. And I should be at my destination, because I lost 25 in 6 weeks. Y'all can catch that on one of my shorts, showing the 6-pack a little bit. But man, can you imagine some weeks from now? Shit, 3-4 more weeks from now, boy, I'll be ripping up, you know? And you will see that I came out here and worked every day to get where I'm trying to get to. And we just gonna make this a way of life with us. This a walk life video. You know, I hope y'all had a nice time today. I done went over the 10 minutes, but I don't care. Anyway, y'all have a blessed day. Walkman in the building. Peace out.